The overall goal of this experiment is to prepare the bromide salt of a stable phosphorus 1 cation, which can serve as a convenient synthetic source of phosphorus 1 plus ions.
The precursors prepared using this method have been used for the preparation of many types of phosphorus-containing molecules, with applications in inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and catalysis. The main advantages of this technique are that the synthesis is convenient and high-yielding from commercially available reagents, and the resultant precursor molecule is air and moisture stable. Demonstrating the synthesis of P1 bromide will be Max, an undergrad student from my laboratory. Demonstrating the synthesis of the biscarbene phosphorus 1 tetraphenyl borate will be Justin, a PhD student from my laboratory. Demonstrating the synthesis of a multifunctional zwitterionic phosphino-triphosphenium molecule will be Steph, a PhD student from my laboratory.
To begin this procedure, dissolve 1.00 grams of DPPE in DCM under inert gas. Prepare reagents as outlined in the text protocol. Then, add 40 milliliters of anhydrous degassed dichloromethane to a 250 milliliter Schlenk flask equipped with a rubber septum. Using a syringe, add 2.53 milliliters of dry degassed cyclohexene. Then, add 0.26 milliliters of phosphorus tribromide dropwise with vigorous stirring. The solution should immediately turn pale yellow with white precipitate forming after 20 minutes. Allow the reaction to stir overnight. After stirring is complete, filter the reaction mixture through a fritted flask topped with a 1-inch thick silica plug to remove the precipitate.